Okay, so now for all your hard work and diligence, we have a beautiful pork loin. So all you want to do is just put your fork in here. This can be a little crusty on the top, which is just, that was all from the browning that we did earlier before we put it in the oven. So you just want to, for me, I would like 2 or 3 slices of this. You see how juicy this is. Just want to put that right on the plate. I'll go ahead and do one more slice here. Just like that. Put that right in there. Look at that crust on this. This is beautiful. Then you want to get some of your sauce that you've reduced down. And just pour a little of that over the side of it. Just like that. For me, I even like a little on the side over here too for dipping into. And then we want to get that beautiful fried rice. And you can even pair this with a salad as well if you'd like, or green beans would be great with this. You see how beautiful those colors are too with the pork, with this fried rice. Kind of lends an Asian feel to it since the rice also has ginger in there. And this is just a beautiful, beautiful dish to serve even for the holidays coming up. But enjoy and bon appetit.